Just short video to show you this DC59 Dyson V6 animal vacuum cleaner. Comes with a brand new replacement power supply, crevice tool, combination tool, the wand, the head, and the actual unit. The actual unit, I've washed the filter, I've washed the head and the bin. This comes with a brand new 6400 mAh battery. It does have use marks, it's in full working order. The wand has use marks, has little scratches, small little dents, as pictured here in the video. To charge it, simply plug in the charger. When the light changes there, it's fully charged. Takes about 3.5 to 4 hours to charge. I'll just show you working quickly. Now, this does have two modes. On the back's a switch. That's economy mode. The blue one is boost mode. Now boost mode dramatically decreases the life of the battery till you have to charge it again. To empty, simply place it over a bin or container, pull this red lever down, the bottom opens, and then you can tip all the rubbish out. If it ever surges, I will give you a quick demonstration. So, if you're ever vacuuming and it does this noise, if I can do it one-handed, it means something's either blocking in here, the head, or in this pipe, or whatever at all. So if it's like purging, it's got rubbish blocked in it. Any questions, please ask. Thanks for watching.